All right, we got Tuesday tips with Pop. Hi, Peyton.
Hi, Pop.
Peyton, what are we going to talk about today?
We're going to talk about scooters.
Scooter safety. We got 3 tips for scooter safety, right, Peyton?
Mm-hmm.
What's the first tip?
First tip is to hold on to the arms.
That's right. You want to hold on to the handlebars. We don't have any one hand riding around, right, Peyton? What is the second tip?
Second tip, no scootering when you're like on your phone.
That's right. Peyton doesn't have a phone, but if you do, don't scooter and FaceTime or anything like that. Be safe out there.
Well,
and what's the third tip, Peyton?
The third tip is
don't get hit by a car, right? Because if you get hit by a car, it'll be bad. So pretend that the cars can't see you, assume they can't, and be extra safe while you're out there. Right, Peyton?
Yes.